Get noticed in this 2006 Audi A4. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.